What is an x-coordinate of an x-intercept of the graph of y equals this function here in the xy plane? So we need to find the x-intercept of this function y. So by definition, the x-intercept occurs when the graph touches the x-axis. So here we have the y and the x-axis. So say we have this function here. When it touches the x-axis, that point there is the x-intercept. And by definition, that happens when y equals 0, because on the x-axis here, y is 0. So we need to find where this function has a y value of 0. So we can do that by plugging in 0 for y. So when y is 0, we'll just have 0 on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, we'll have 3x minus 14 times x plus 5 times x plus 4. So now we can just solve for x, since this equation only has one unknown. So in order for the right-hand side to equal the left-hand side, x can have three values. X can equal 14, negative 5, and negative 4. So from this first parenthesis, we see here that when x equals 14, 14 minus 14 is 0. And when this is 0, anything multiplied with 0 becomes 0. So x equals 14 is an x value at an x-intercept. The same with x equals negative 5. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. And the same with 4. X plus 4. When x equals negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. So these are three possible values for the x value at an x-intercept. So we could just choose any one. So we could just say x equals 14.